Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a product that has been changing the game when it comes to teeth whitening. I'm talking about the Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects Teeth Whitening Strip Kit. With 44 strips included in the pack, this kit is designed to give you professional level whitening results from the comfort of your own home. In just 22 days, you can expect to see your teeth get up to 20 levels whiter. That's right, 20 levels whiter in just 22 days. What sets Crest 3D Whitestrips apart is that they are the #1 dentist recommended at-home teeth whitening brand. They use the same whitening ingredient as dentists, so you can trust that you're getting professional grade results. Plus, they are enamel safe and effective, so you can have peace of mind while using them. If you're tired of feeling self-conscious about your smile and want to achieve a brighter, more confident look, then I highly recommend giving Crest 3D Whitestrips a try. You can find the link to purchase them in the description below, and trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and recommendations.